Hello, hello, hello. I am John Beck, Professor John Beck, and Dr. John Beck, father of Sid, the transgenic mother of Sid, your hostess with the mostess. Online now for the Waterbear battle. Tight green screen in the back. I drink my coffee black. Have my brain tied behind my back, just to make it fair. All right. First, we're going to start off with the Frank Miller Universe Waterbear battle. There are 18 participants. We have set up a deathmatch arena. We have set up a single elimination, randomly seeded tournament. Let the games and the battle begin. First up, battling to make their way into the tournament, Kaboyd and MTB Terra. Let's fight it out. All right, on the left, we have MTB Terra, Frank Miller, Waterbear. On the right, we have Kaboyd, Frank Miller, Waterbear. Fight. Bam. Dead. Really what did it here is the size differential, 8 legs versus 4 legs, and this nice little white highlight streak makes the MTB Terra Waterbear more aggressive. MTB Terra moves into the tournament. Next up, we have Livingston and Bellamy. All right, on the left, we have Bellamy, Frank Miller, Waterbear. And on the right, we have Livingston, Frank Miller, Waterbear. Fight. Dead. What done it in is not enough detail on the right. Bellamy moves into the official tournament. Fights our way in. All right, next up, we have Griffith versus MTB Terra. This is a hard battle. We got 2 champions. On the left, we got MTB Terra, Frank Miller, Waterbear. On the right, we got Griffith, Frank Miller, Waterbear. Fight. Griffith wins. And Griffith wins because Griffith's capturing of the Waterbear is closer to Frank Miller's actual style than MTB Terra. But this was a tough battle, a very tough battle. Griffith moves on to the next round. Next, we have Isun versus Bookman. All right, on the left, we have Isun, Frank Miller, Waterbear. On the right, we have Bookman, Frank Miller, Waterbear. Fight. Bookman's Waterbear sucks pretty bad. It looks like a pustule, not a Waterbear. Isun moves to the next round. Next, we have Kafiko versus Baker. All right, Kafiko on the left, Baker on the right. Fight. Dead. Reason it died is it looks more like a cucumber. Baker moves to the next round. Next, we have Nuang versus Coswolf. All right, we got Nuang on the left and Coswolf on the right. Fight. Dead. The reason it died is Frank Miller's lines are smooth blocks of white and black, not scratchy lines. Nuang advances to the next round. Next, we have Schneider versus Bellamy. All right, we got Bellamy on the left and Schneider on the right. Fight. Dead. The reason it died is Bellamy was just too intimidating. Schneider was just a little too flat. Bellamy advances to the next round. Next, we have H Cobb versus N Pitts. H Cobb on the left and Pitts on the right. Fight. Dead. N Pitts died because it's just too cute. Frank Miller doesn't do cute. H Cobb advances to the next round. Next, we have Kirsch versus Songruth. Kirsch on the right, Songruth on the left. Fight. Dead. For the same reason, too cute. Frank Miller doesn't do cute. Cutesies die in the Waterbear battle. Griffith advances to the next round. Next, we have Cotter versus A England. Emerging from the black pits of hell, we have A England on the left. We have Cotter on the right. Fight. Dead. What did it for me is the mean eyebrows. But it's not clear how long Cotter will survive. Too simple. Cotter moves to the next round. Next up, we have Griffith versus Isun. Griffith on the right, Isun on the left. Fight. Dead. Frank Miller's lines are smooth. Isun dies because the lines are rough. Here, for example, right there. Not smooth. Griffith advances to the next round. Next, we have Baker versus Nuang. We have Baker on the right and Nuang on the left. Fight. Dead. Nuang is just too big and chubby. Easily overpowers it. This was a close battle, though. Bloodstained left on the mat. Nuang advances to the next round. Next, we have Bellamy versus H Cobb. We have Bellamy on the left versus H Cobb on the right. Fight. Fight. Dead. Bellamy advances to the next round. Next up, Griffith versus Cotter. This is a tough one. Cotter's got an attractive quality to it. Fight. Dead. Unexpectedly, in an overturn, Cotter's eyebrows just killed the other one. Cotter moves to the next round. Next, we have Griffith versus Nuang. There's still blood on the mat from Nuang's last feast. Let's clean up the mat here. Let's clean up the blood. All right, Nuang on the left, Griffith on the right. Fight. Dead. The chubbiness of Nuang's just overpowers it. Blood still on the mat. New blood, fresh blood. This one is a beast. A lion amongst water bears. Nuang advances to the tournament round. Next, we have Bellamy versus Cotter. Bellamy on the left, Cotter on the right. At this point, the cutesiness is what killed him. Fight. Fight. Dead. Cutesiness is not enough to overpower the brutishness of Bellamy's Frank Miller Waterbear. Dead. Bellamy advances to the final round. The final round. The final fight. Nuang versus Nuang versus Bellamy. Blood from the beast. Let's clean up the mat. Two champions killed many in their day. Time to fight. Time to die. This is a tough battle. Fight. Fight. Dead. This one was a bloody scene. The claws on Nuang were just too sharp. Nuang takes the cake. Here we have, in the deathmatch arena, a killer amongst killers, Nuang's Frank Miller Waterbear. Everybody clap your hands for the winner, the $10 prize winner. Good work, students. Have a good day.
Let the gate be opened to die. I shall meet death head on. I shall meet death head on. Negate, you've got to get out of here. Beware foul demons and beasts, there are many foes here. The time has come to cleanse my heart. This monastery reeks with evil and corruption. Oh, I hate staining my hands with the blood of foul sorcerers. Eternal suffering would be too great for you, Diablo. Let the gate be opened to die. I shall meet death head on. I shall meet death head on. Negate, you've got to get out of here. Beware foul demons and beasts, there are many foes here. The prime evils are no more. The prime